What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Unlimited Hustle here, and I'm back again with another video. In this video, I'm going to talk to you guys about an app that lets you make money by renting out your extra space. So if you have unused extra space around your home, you're going to want to hear this. Neighbors is an app that lets you rent out storage space for money. This can be a garage, a basement, a parking lot, a driveway, a room. Any type of space you have in your home, Neighbors let you rent it out while getting paid. Think of this like your own storage business, like a public storage, but only difference is it'll be at home instead of a business. And Neighbors allows you to rent out your storage space to your neighbors for money. So you can get paid for renting out your extra space that you're not even using. This is one of the easiest side hustles there is. And it's really passive income because you're not doing any work. Once you sign up on Neighbors, you create your listing, which is going to be your space. That's all you need to do other than communicating with renters. Neighbors allow you to earn passive income off storage space that you're not even using. Signing up is super simple. Just go to the App Store and download the Neighbors app. And once you have the app downloaded, you're going to sign up and create the storage space listing with information about a property and what type of space is it. If you need help with creating a listing, they have a great support team that can help you get started. I'm just going to go on my phone and show you how easy it is to sign up. I'm going to go become a host, list your friend, and you can sign up with email. Once you create your account, now it's time to start listing your space. And here it say that you do get $1 million insurance, so you're covered. Your liability insurance is there. So the good thing with Neighbor is that you get a $1 million liability insurance protection. You get to be in control of your space. So whenever someone requests to use your space, you have to approve them, and you're able to approve or deny who you want. You're able to communicate with them in the app before you approve them, and you're able to be in control. So you can allow the type of items you want. So if you don't want something stored at your place, you could deny it. So you could tell them what you want to allow them to store, and also you can control what time they get to access the property. So you could have your hours that you don't want them to access the property. So you're really in control. So here is just going to ask you information about your space. So if you have a driveway or a garage, they could store a vehicle. And you just fill this out with information about your property. And I'm just going to fill this out real quick. And then you just put your space, your information about your address, how you go about it. So once you sign up, all you need to do is enter information about the space. And you could have multiple different spaces. So you could have a driveway, you could have a room, you could have a parking space. The more space you have, the more money you're able to make. I do like that they have $1 million protection policy, because if anything happened, you are protected. So you don't need to worry about anything going wrong because you're protected. A lot of you guys are probably wondering how much can you make doing this, and it's really going to depend on your space and how much listings you have. Depending on the space, you can expect to make $100 to $200 a month. On average, it's going to be between $100 to $200 a month, depending on how much space you have, how much things you have listed, and also depends on your neighborhood. And if you're wondering, like, why would someone use Neighbor instead of like a public storage and one of those businesses that offers storage, is I'll say it's for convenience. A lot of Neighbor customers say that it's actually cheaper than those public storage businesses, and also it's more convenient because it's locally in the neighborhood. Essentially, you're going to be renting to people that's in your neighborhood. Depending on where you live, there aren't any storage space in the area. But with Neighbor, you're able to go on the app and find someone down the street in your neighborhood with extra space. And it's always good to have your items, your belongings nearby. You feel more safe and secure. You're able to monitor it, and you know that it's protected and covered with insurance. A lot of neighbor users say that it is cheaper than your traditional storage. It's about 50% cheaper, and you're able to find storage in your neighborhood. So it's very convenient knowing that you have the spaces in the neighborhood. You can always go access it whenever you want. So some of the downsides to Neighbor is security. Some hosts might be concerned about the items they're storing. Maybe they're worried about it being stolen items. Another downside to Neighbor is some renter might want to access the property frequently. They might need access throughout the week. They might want to access their belongings multiple times throughout the week, but you are able to have that conversation with that renter before you approve them, just to get an idea of how often they want to access the property. If you're someone that don't like to be bothered, then I would definitely vet the renter first before you approve them. And also in the app, you are able to schedule when someone can access the property. As long as you screen your renters, I think you'll be fine there. That's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.